Welcome to Percentage Session 1. The term percentage has come from a Latin word percentum, which means per hundred or for every hundred. Simple? In this topic, we will see how to convert a fraction into percentage, a percentage into fraction, percentage increase or decrease, results on population, results on depreciation, and many other questions. Actually, we have a variety of questions here in this topic, and for that we have few shortcut formulas also. With the help of these formulas, you will be able to find out the answer in seconds. And yes, this topic is also used in profit and loss, data interpretation, simple interest and compound interest, etc. So it's very important for you to understand the topic well. In this topic, Session 1 will be having an overview of the topic, percentage increase, decrease, results on population and results on depreciation. Session 2 will be having sample questions set 1. Session 3 will be having sample questions set 2. Session 4 will be having questions from previous papers, and session 5 will be having a practice test, which again I will say is very important for you.
Let's understand the basic conversion. When you have to write x% as fraction, then you just have to divide it by 100. So x% is equal to x divided by 100. For example, say we have to write 20% as fraction. So 20% is equal to 20 divided by 100, which is equal to 1 divided by 5. Now fraction as percentage. For this we just have to multiply the fraction value with 100 and simplify it. So a divided by b is equal to a divided by b into 100%. For example, 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 100%. After solving this, we get 25%. We have some formula which can be used directly. Let's see all the direct formulas. Number 1. Percentage increase or decrease. A. If the price of a commodity increases by R%, then the reduction in consumption is R divided by 100 plus R into 100%. B. If the price of a commodity decreases by R%, then the increase in consumption is equal to R divided by 100 minus R into 100%. 2. Results on population. If current population is P and increase rate is R%, then A. Population after n years will be P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. B. Population n years ago will be P divided by 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. Three. Results on depreciation. Let the present value of the machine be P and its depreciation rate is R% per year. A. Value of the machine after n years will be P into 1 minus R divided by 100 to the power n. B. Value of the machine n years ago is equal to P divided by 1 minus R divided by 100 to the power n. 4. A. If A is R% more than B, then B is less than A by R divided by 100 plus R into 100%. B. If A is R% less than B, then B is more than A by R divided by 100 minus R into 100%. Question 1. In the new budget, the price of a kerosene oil rose by 25%. By how much percent a person should reduce his consumption so that his expenditure on it does not increase? See, when the price of a commodity increases, then definitely you have to reduce the consumption. So by what percentage it should be reduced? We have a direct formula for this. If the price of a commodity increases by R%, then the reduction in consumption is equal to R divided by 100 plus R into 100%. Here R means rate, which is 25%. So we just have to substitute the value of R and get the answer, which is 25 divided by 100 plus 25 into 100%, which is equal to 20%. So our answer is 20%. Let's do another different question. Question 2. If the length of a rectangle is decreased by 40% and the width is increased by 30%, then what is the increase or decrease percent in the area of rectangle? Let the original length and width be L1 and W1, and the new length and width after increase and decrease be L2 and W2. So original area is equal to L1 W1 and the new area is equal to L2 W2. See, length is decreasing by 40%. So the new length L2 will be 40% less than L1. So L2 is equal to L1 minus 40% of L1. 40% means 40 divided by 100. So L2 is equal to L1 minus 40 divided by 100 into L1, which is equal to 6 divided by 10 L1. And the new width W2 is increasing by 30%. So W2 will be 30% more than W1. So W2 is equal to W1 plus 30% of W1, which is equal to W1 plus 30 divided by 100 into W1, which is equal to 13 divided by 10 W1. We know that new area is equal to L2 W2. We can substitute the value of L2 and W2, which we have calculated. So new area is equal to 6 divided by 10 L1 into 13 divided by 10 W1, which is equal to 78 divided by 100 L1 W1. Now we can see that the new area is 78% of old area, which means area is decreasing. So let's check the difference between the old area and new area and find the exact answer. So difference is equal to L1 W1 minus 78 by 100 L1 W1 is equal to 22 divided by 100 L1 W1, which means 22% of L1 W1. So our answer is decrease by 22%.
Thank you for watching session 1. If you have any query, you can write back to me on mathskagurukul.vns@gmail.com.